If you have a toothache, it's important to figure out what's at the root of your discomfort. From there, you can determine how best to relieve any pain, swelling, or other symptoms. One of the most effective prescription medicines for serious tooth pain will contain a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug with codeine. This will tend to be far more effective than just something like ibuprofen or paracetamol alone. A regular saltwater rinse and a cold compress application can typically remedy minor irritation, but more serious toothaches may require a dentist. If your symptoms persist for more than a day or two, see your dentist. They can provide guidance on how to relieve the symptoms and to prevent future pain. For many people, a saltwater rinse is an effective first line of treatment. Salt water is a natural disinfectant, and it can help to loosen food particles and debris that could become stuck between your teeth. Treating a toothache with salt water can help to reduce inflammation and heal any oral wounds. To use this approach, mix half a teaspoon of salt into a glass of warm water and use it as a mouthwash. A hydrogen peroxide rinse can also help to relieve pain and inflammation. In addition to killing bacteria, the hydrogen peroxide can reduce the plaque and heal the bleeding gums. Make sure that you properly dilute the hydrogen peroxide. To do this, mix 3% hydrogen peroxide with equal parts of water to use as a mouthwash. Do not swallow. You can use a cold compress to relieve any pain that you're experiencing, especially if any type of trauma has caused a toothache. When you apply a cold compress, it causes the blood vessels in the area to constrict. This makes pain less severe. The cold can also reduce any swelling and inflammation. To use this approach, hold a towel-wrapped bag of ice to the affected area for 20 minutes at a time. You can repeat this every few hours. Peppermint tea bags can be used to numb the pain and to soothe sensitive gums. Allow a used tea bag to cool down a little before applying it to the affected area. It should be slightly warm. Alternatively, you could use this method to cool rather than warm the area. To do this, put a used tea bag in the freezer for a couple of minutes to chill and then apply the bag to your tooth. For thousands of years, garlic has been recognized and used for its medicinal properties. It also has antibacterial properties. Not only can it kill the harmful bacteria that cause dental plaque, but it can also act as a pain reliever. To use garlic on a toothache, crush a garlic clove to create a paste and apply it to the affected area. You might wish to add a bit of salt. Alternatively, you can slowly chew the garlic. Vanilla extract contains alcohol, which can help to numb pain. Its proven antioxidant properties also make it an effective healer. Just be sure to use real vanilla rather than imitation. To use this herbal remedy, dab a small amount of vanilla extract on your finger or a cotton ball and apply it directly to the affected area a few times per day. Cloves have been used to treat toothaches throughout history. The oil can effectively numb pain and reduce inflammation. It contains eugenol, which is a natural antiseptic. To use this approach, dilute the clove oil with a carrier oil like sunflower or jojoba. Use a ratio of about 15 drops of clove oil to 1 ounce of carrier oil. Then dab a small amount of this diluted oil onto a cotton ball and apply it to the affected area a few times a day. You can also put a drop of clove oil to a small glass of water and make a mouthwash. Guava leaves have anti-inflammatory properties, and this can help to heal wounds. They also have antimicrobial activity that can aid in oral care. To use this remedy, chew on the fresh guava leaves or add crushed guava leaves to boiling water to make the mouthwash. Wheatgrass has countless healing properties, like anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. It contains many nutrients, including a high chlorophyll content that can help to fight bacteria. You can drink wheatgrass or use it as a mouthwash. Thyme also has powerful antibacterial and antioxidant properties, and it can help to treat toothaches. It can even help to fight bacteria that contributes to tooth decay. To use this, dilute the thyme essential oil with a carrier oil and then apply it to the affected area. You can also add a drop of the oil to a small glass of water to make a mouthwash. The aptly named toothache plant is a flowering plant that grows in tropical and subtropical regions. Its active compound, Spill-Anthol has anti-inflammatory properties according to a 2021 review. It also provides a numbing sensation when chewed. Though this plant is generally considered safe, you shouldn't use it if you're allergic to plants in the daisy family, if you drink alcohol, use diuretics, have prostate cancer, or if you're pregnant. A surprising home remedy for toothaches works because capsaicin, the compound in cayenne pepper, helps to keep pain from reaching the brain. Just mash ginger and cayenne pepper into a paste with a bit of warm water, then soak a small cotton ball in it and place it on the affected area. Like eating a chili, it will feel hot and uncomfortable for around 5 minutes, followed by pain relief for up to an hour. If your toothache is severe or the result of a more serious medical condition, it's crucial that you see your dentist so you can treat it properly. Many toothaches will require medical attention. An over-the-counter pain reliever like ibuprofen can help until you see the dentist. You should also see the dentist if you experience any of the following symptoms: fever, trouble breathing or swallowing, general pain that lasts more than 1 or 2 days, swelling, pain when you bite, abnormally red gums, or foul-tasting discharge or pus. For more information about herbs, supplements, and natural treatments, check out my website.